So this is part 2 of the CK wheeled rucksack that I've been sent. If you haven't seen part 1, go and check it out. So as you can see, I've loaded up the bag now of all my tools that I'm going to be using on a daily basis. As you can see, I've got my grips, all my snips, my testers, and in the back I've got drill bits, torch, levels, you know, the stuff I'm going to be using every day, and this should cover most jobs I have. I've still got my little Vito pouch that just for the smallest jobs ever, but overall this should just be chucked on my back now, go to the job, and it should be everything I need in there. But we'll see over the next few weeks how this goes, if this makes life easier, and yeah, come back for part 3.